Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your name on Truecaller using an app. Now let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on Profile at the top right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile page, tap on Edit. Now look for the name field. Tap on it and enter the correct name you want to see. Be sure to use your real name because Truecaller may review name change. After typing your new name, tap Save button. Your updated name will be submitted. In some cases, the change happens immediately. In other cases, it may take a few hours up to a day to appear everywhere. And that's it. You have successfully changed your name on Truecaller using an app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.